So guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add a glow effect to your text in PixelLab. I'm going to be showing you the easiest and simplest way to achieve this using just your smartphone in PixelLab. So if you're interested in learning how to do this yourself, do well to watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get. So guys, I'm going to be changing my background, reason being that I want the glow effect to be visible. Yeah, I'm going to be using this background. Okay, now go to your text, go to edit. Okay, so I'm going to be writing glow effects. Click on OK, bring it down, stretch it. Beautiful. We'll be changing the font. Okay, let's use which font? Now let's use Bibars. Okay, now go to style, make it bold. Yeah, increase it, stretch it. Now I want you to look at what I'm about to do now. I'm about to add the glow effect to this text. The beautiful thing about adding a glow effect to your text is that it makes the text look unique and exceptional. I know you have seen this kind of effect in different designs and you may be wondering how it was achieved. I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this in PixelLab. Now go to shadow. Follow me carefully. Go to shadow, enable your shadow. Okay, now many of you might think that we are going to be using outer glow. Outer glow is not going to give us what we want, so we're not going to be using outer glow here. Yeah, just enable your shadow. When you are done, change the color to white. Hope you can see this. Hope you can see the glow effect. I'm talking to you that is watching this video. Hope you can see the effect. If you know you have been gaining value from my videos, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload new content on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share the video. Share it on your WhatsApp status or on Facebook, whichever platform you choose to share the video. Just share it so that someone else can learn this. Be a blessing to someone, please. Okay, that's not all. You can adjust the glow effect. Just come to blur reduce. If the effect is too much on your design, it is up to you. You can adjust it here. You get my point? Yes. Now click on the good icon, go to stroke, add a stroke to it, but this time around we'll be adding a white stroke. Now you can see that the effect is now very obvious, very palpable. Now you can adjust it. Just walk around it. You can leave it at 1, or you may decide not to use, or you may decide not to add a stroke to it. But this is how you can add a glow effect to your text. Now this is for a white text. Let's try a different color. So go to color. Let's try this color, this yellow color. Now the effect is not obvious, but let's make the glow effect obvious. Go to shadow. You understand? This time around we'll be using a shade of yellow. Make sure you use a shade of that color if you want to add a glow effect to it. And this time around it should be light. Make it light. You get my point? So click on OK. Now come here and increase the blur radius. Yeah, this is how to add a glow effect. Make sure you adjust your blur radius so that you can achieve what you want, so you can get a better result. Click on your good icon. You can also go to stroke. You understand? Change the color to yellow. You can increase it if you want. So guys, this is the easiest way you can add a glow effect to your text using PixelLab. I'm sure that you learned something new today. Do well to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. Now I'm speaking to those of you in my community. Even though you are not a member of our community, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. It's not going to cost you anything at all. Leave a comment in the comment section so that YouTube can push this video to other creatives. You get my point? Thank you so much. Turn on your notification bell and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. It is Vixen Tech. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen. See you in my next video.